Your Majesty, on behalf of the people of Tuvalu, it is my great honor and privilege to welcome you and your husband, His Royal Highness Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh, to Tuvalu today. It is indeed a unique and very special occasion in the history of our country to welcome to our shores our reigning monarch for the first time. Tuvalu has little in the way of land or natural resources, but we believe, Your Majesty, that we have a happiness, culture, and friendliness which are perhaps more important than pure material wealth. We hope that in the next few hours we can show you some of these qualities. Welcome to Tuvalu.
Mr. Prime Minister, thank you for your kind words. Prince Philip and I have greatly enjoyed our arrival in Tuvalu, and we deeply appreciate the warmth of the welcome and these traditional gifts of necklaces. It is a great pleasure to visit 3 Commonwealth countries in the Pacific where I have never been before. I have heard a great deal about Tuvalu from my family, and I am only sorry I cannot visit other islands, but I understand all of them are represented here today. I am very glad that my first visit to your country should be as Queen of Tuvalu. I come also to you as head of the Commonwealth. The Prime Minister mentioned the value attached here to membership of the Commonwealth. And knowing the importance of family life in Tuvalu, this does not surprise me. The Commonwealth is similarly a family, with members of different races, religions, and creeds scattered across the world. Based on many common traditions and a single language, the Commonwealth has in recent years contributed in many ways to peace and cooperation throughout the world. We are now looking forward eagerly during these 2 days to seeing more of Tuvalu and to meeting as many of you as possible.
sometimes it might seem to the Queen to come to our remote islands and see many parts of her own culture in a society so different from hers. Our laws, religion, schools, and our governments are very similar. It is those similarities that make a tie between us and Britain, and we need those ties. In 1974, we voted for our people to become an independent nation. But we are a small and isolated nation, and our membership in the British Commonwealth makes us part of a larger community. And the Queen, as the head of this community, is also the head of Tuvalu.